Hey guys, today I want to talk about acclimating your plants to life in the sun, because if it says it's okay for full sun, but it hasn't been living in full sun, you cannot take it straight from the nursery and put it out where it's going to get a lot of sun exposure. Plants that are meant for full sun will adapt well, but here's a really good example. These are the many color phases of Vera Higgins, and you can see the bluer green one has not had much sun exposure yet. This is what new growth looks like. And then rotating over here, you have the one that has been outside for maybe a month. It's starting to tan up a little bit. And finally, we see this little one is growing extremely compact. That also is a sign that it's growing well in the sun. It's not reaching for more sunlight. She's showing off her beautiful color, summer color, and she will acclimate well to the sun because she has already been exposed to the sun.